Hi everyone, in this video you will see how we can find highest salary in SQL using rank and density function. You will also learn the concept of rank and density functions when we use rank and when we use density function. So let's start. You can see we have created one table here. Table name is employee record and we have taken three columns: name, department and salary. Now I will insert the records into this employee record table one by one. We have inserted 7 records into this table. Now this is the syntax of a rank function. What a rank function does is it will assign some sort of rank to each row present in the table, like rank 1, rank 2, rank 3, like that. We'll see the syntax. So select is a keyword. After that we will give the column names here, the data we want to fetch. After that, rank function. Rank function works with the over clause. Over clause is mandatory to use. Inside the over clause we will use partition by clause and order by clause. Partition by clause, what it will do is it will divide the rows into the partitions, and order by clause it will give the result in ascending or descending order based on the column. We will just close this bracket. As my name, you can give any name over here, rank R, any name you can give over here. After that, from is a keyword and table name you have to give. Partition by clause is optional to use, and order by clause, if you will not use, it will not give an error, but you will not get the desired output. So now we will see with the example. Select column names, rank function, over clause, inside over clause, partition by department, order by name, bracket close. As I'll take rank, so it will create one column with the rank column name from table name. We will run this. Rank has been assigned to the rows. You can see department A, department B and department C. So we have done the partitions by department. So according to the department it has given the rank. So department A we have the rank 1 and 2. For the department B we have the rank 1, 2 and 3, and department C we have the rank 1 and 2. So according to the department it has assigned the rank, and name is in the ascending order. Now we have seen how partition by clause and order by clause works. Now we will see how we can assign the ranks based on the salary column. So I am removing partition by clause, and in order by I am giving the column salary because I want the salary column in ascending order, and it will assign the rank also. Now I will run this. You can see rank has been assigned according to the salary column, and salary column is in ascending order. So the salary is 10,000, it has assigned the rank 1, but we want that for highest salary it should assign the rank 1. So what we will do is we will sort the salary column in descending order. It will give salary column in descending order, and based on that it will assign the rank. It assigns same rank for similar value, and it skips the number also. You can see if we want to find fourth highest salary, we will not be able to find it because it skipped 4 and 5 and directly it is giving 6th and 7th rank. So in that scenario we will use dense rank function. So dense rank function doesn't skip any number. So syntax is same, just we write dense underscore. Now we will run this. You can see it doesn't skip the number, and it is giving fourth highest salary also, which is 20,000 based on the salary column which we have given in descending order. Now suppose we don't want all the data, we just want the records which has a third highest salary, only those records we want. So how we can achieve this? We can achieve this with clause with, and then we will give any name over here as, and in the bracket we will just use this query. So with clause act as a temporary view, and we will get the output based on the condition we will give in the select statement. Select star from, here we will take the name whatever we have taken with clause. Select star from employee rank where rank is equal to 4. So it will give only those records which has the rank 4. It means the fourth highest salary. In this way you can get the specific records instead of all the data. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.